You probably have a 6-minute limit.
Yeah. So I'll have to post 2 videos. And yes, it is nighttime. I'm just giving them a little view. 22 seconds has gone by.
Yeah.
Oh, we can see it's not fully dead.
Oh,
Its
it's dead.
paws are still moving.
He's moving it.
Oh, I can see it's
Brandon!
Rich!
He's out here blowing ass.
No, you did.
Thanks, babe.
Like, we can't even see the snake's head. And I can see the rat's head, like, inside. Still, there's a little turd.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, did you hear? He took a little poop. There's a little turd, like, right there.
Well, it probably got squeezed out when he was starting to constrict him.
Yeah.
Pass me a lighter, babe.
Ah!
Oh,
No.
I'm so glad that... Oh, looky here. No wonder I couldn't find mine.
Been yours? Sorry if the camera was a little jumbled.
Sorry, babe. See, watch, he's pulling them out. See?
Oh, that looks so cool. Oh, he's going under the armpits.
Yeah, those front arms are just going to fold backwards. See? First one just folded down.
But, like, will it just slide into his mouth?
Yeah.
YouTube, if you're watching this, please don't demonetize or age restrict this video. But